check out Megan's shop here because Megan is still here. And we've got Rural Gal Photography. All right. Thank you, Rachel. Rural Gal Photography out of Mankato, Minnesota. And let's see here. Cotton Balls Photography. Cotton Balls Photography, print, wall decor, Western home decor, farmhouse home decor, photography prints, brown and tan home decor. All right. 8 by 10, 16 by 20. And you've got a lot of different finishes. Cotton option 1. Now, these ones, I don't know which one's which. Cotton option 1, 2. Okay, so that one's 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you could, I don't know if you can because it's the second option, but you should still be able to connect that to the image that it is. So we'll find that one for you real quick with our Etsy image variation selection guide. So right here, the Etsy image variation selection guide. So what this will do for you is it will help you connect the image to the drop down. So when somebody clicks on cotton option number 2 or 3, it will show them number 3. And that will help you out a little bit so they know exactly which ones they're getting. But like the photos, very pretty. Now let's check out your keywords here. Cotton balls. And you have that one, unless that is how people say it, but I thought it was spelled all with an A. Yeah, I think you got that. Unfortunately, I think you have that wrong. I think you got a typo there. Cotton balls. I don't know. Is it balls or bowls? I guess I didn't realize that. I don't know if there's a difference or if it's a typo. But I've always thought it was cotton balls. But just something to think about. I don't know which one's which. Now I'm confused. I don't even know what's right anymore. Cotton balls photography. Now, cotton balls photography, either way, it's not like a great keyword with only 207 results. It is specific because, and like I said, guys, you know, this isn't jewelry. So when you're not selling something like jewelry, it is tough. You know, you always got to take into account how popular is your niche, how many people are searching for your sort of thing. So for cotton balls photography, only 207 results. I would try and find some other keywords. Now this one, Western home decor, let's try that. Western home decor, a whole bunch more, 104,000. But again, now it's like really, really broad, not quite on the right thing for that one. So looking up and finding the right keywords, sometimes it's tough. It can be real tricky, and you got to search and really do some research to find the right keywords for you. Now this one, there we go. This one's a little bit easier. Flamingo wall art prints. And I bet that one's got a little bit more searches than the cotton balls. There we go. 11,734 results. So people love those flamingos. They are such a pretty bird, and they're so rare, you know, so rare to see something so pink out in nature like that. So, you know, people love them. So that's a better opportunity. And some products are just going to have more searches, more opportunity. Now, Jacob's got one for you. Cotton plant photo. That's an option for you as well. We've got a sunflower weekly planner printable, weekly planner digital printable, planner page, instant digital download. And I'm curious, show you've got 6 sales to see what you have. Guys, when you start making sales, pay attention to what's selling and then try to figure out how can you do more of that. Because this is one of the things I've learned. With my shop, we've published over more than 1,500 different decals to my shop, and we only got about less than 200 of those listings are still active. So what does that mean? A lot of them never sold. A lot of them people just didn't really like very much. So you got to find out, what do people like of yours? And right here, you got some winners here. People love this cow. People love cows. It is funny how much people love cows. This one's unavailable. So you already removed one of your best items there, unfortunately. So pay attention to what is selling and then learn from that. So if you're selling a lot of these calendars, looks like you've made 6 sales and it's all been these calendars. This looks like the type of artwork that people are enjoying of yours, and how can you do a little bit more of that? So I would take that into account and keep putting listings out there. You've got 13 here on your shop so far. But I think you got more opportunity. Put more listings out there. Just keep trying, keep publishing things. Keep trying, keep publishing, keep creating new listings, and I would do more of the calendars because those ones seem to be a winner for you. People seem like they definitely like those calendars, so I would do more sunflowers, cotton, and so on. Waiting to update when the 2022 calendars come on sale from my print shop. How did you see what was sold, Karen? Right up here. If you see this right here, sales. Etsy sellers can choose to block this if they want. So you can either see what they sold, but most Etsy sellers have this blocked. But Megan, she is letting us see what she's selling over here. And there's nothing wrong with it at all, because then people can see what's popular and they get ideas for what they can buy of their own.